Ladies and gentlemen, this is currently what is happening in Mbeere North constituency, particularly during this much anticipated by-election. And I want us to watch these clips on the current situation in Mbeere North constituency.
Hapa ni mazishi
Hapana, pate karaza tutaki. Unaambia nani? Pate wewe.
In Mbeere North constituency, chaos at Siakago polling center. It all started when the Democratic Party leader
where there is much anticipation in the voting process. And if you have any video or any incident from those regions, make sure you give us that video so we can share with other Kenyans and express to the world what is happening within your region or within your reach. Remember, we are here for a 24 hours update, and we will update you on what is happening in the country, particularly in the places that contain much focus in Mbeere North, maybe in Mbeere North, maybe particularly in Malava constituency, Baringo County, Kasipul, and all the entire wards that are conducting their by-election.
The reason why you're not supposed to wear a cap on the color is because you're not supposed to influence the
voters. That is voting.
You don't get out of here.
Yeah.
Mommy, you must get out of here. You must get out of here. You cannot come here wearing party color.
Excuse us, Mheshimiwa.
You cannot wear party colors. Mimi ndio chama ni wa DP. Huyu anakuja kama nani? Ama tumsaidie. Hata huku na sheria ile ndio Kenya kuna sheria ni msimamo. Sheria ni msimamo ya kwenda mbele na nyuma. Sheria msimamo ya kwenda mbele na nyuma. Sheria ya msimamo inakata mbele na nyuma. Sheria ya msimamo inakata mbele na nyuma. Kuja.
Faiza ni sawa, polisi ndio wako pale, mazee wanacontrol vijana.
Na kama wako hapo,
Mungu umebadilika tena na moja. Sawa Faiza, wewe
si back. Ngoja Faiza. Kitu. Ngoja kidogo. Naenda channels. Hata iko hapo.
hawezi kaa hapa. Atoe. Hapana, apate kara za tutaki. Pate kara za tutaki. Unaambia nani? Pate wewe.
Maybe Muzuri attacking. In Mbeere North constituency, chaos at Siakago polling center. It all started when the Democratic Party leader
Hapa ni mazishi
Remember to hit us with a video on the comment section, and we will do a review and share with the entire country. Keep it locked, keep it updated here from us. Let's watch this video.
Hapa ni mazishi